To solve this equation, let's first remove the parentheses by multiplying each of x and minus 4 by 5. Then, let's combine like terms on the left side of the equation. In other words, we are going to combine the terms with x. 5x minus 4x is 1x, or simply x. And, minus 20 and minus 8 stay the same for now. So, we now have a new equation. X minus 20 equals minus 8. Now, we are going to rewrite the equation so that the left side of the equation has only x. To do this, we must eliminate minus 20 on the left side of the equation. So, let's add 20 to both sides of the equation. Here, it is important to treat both sides of the equation equally. So, when we add a number to one side of the equation, we must add the same number to the other side of the equation. After adding 20, the left side of the equation is simplified to x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the equation. Minus 8 plus 20 is 12. Now, this tells us that x is equal to 12. So, the answer is x equals 12.